Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Okay, I believe you are all doing well. If you are living in my country, hey, well, it's well, it's well. Let me just put it like that. Okay, because God said in everything we should give him all glory. So for those that are living in my country, don't give up. We're gonna dig them. So we move. Alright, please permit me to share today's video with you guys. In today's video, I am going to show you how I achieved this beautiful wig. Stay tuned, I'll be right back. This is a French coils I made by myself. I coiled this attachment by myself and I've already started braiding it. Okay, I braid some of it off camera. This ones I left pick and drop. I'm going to complete them the moment I'm done with the Ghana weaving. You can see the closure I made for the Ghana weaving. I didn't just make this closure like we've on. I also made it line by line the way I'm going to braid it so that it can be very easy. So the next thing I'm going to do is to complete the Ghana weaving before I start braiding the remaining inside. French coils is what you handle with care. It's not something you handle anyhow. Okay, you take it easy when dealing with French coils. Alright, so when you want to detangle the coils, you start from the tips first to the ending. Alright, if not, you will end up spoiling the coils. Even if it's the one you purchase from the market, it's still the same process. You need to handle it with care to retain the coils, or else it will be what you ordered versus what you get. I have already made a video of how I made this French coils. Okay, I first of all I coiled this attach by myself and I made a video of it. Maybe I'm going to leave the link of that video on the comment section of this video below so that if you haven't watched it, you can go and watch it. It's a very interesting video to watch. The style I'm making right now is center parting, and I'm not making it 1-1. I'm making it Ghana weaving, small Ghana weaving. Meanwhile, if this is your first time of coming across my channel, you are highly welcome. Please do wait to subscribe to this channel because you guys are the reason why I'm here. Without you guys, I won't be able to go high or to continue doing this. And besides, you will have a lot to learn from this channel. Believe me, a lot to learn because this channel offers you an interesting videos. I'm done braiding all the whole hair, so what I'm doing right now is to complete the tips. After I'm done completing the tips, the wig will be all set. I'm not going to put it in a hot water again because I've already done that during coiling. Our wig is done and dusted. Carry me they go, I beg you, carry me they go, my own I hate. Carry me they go, I beg you, carry me they go, my own I hate. What do you think, guys? Do let me know in the comment section. See you next time. Bye bye.